Hi everybody, Dan here. I wanted to do an update on what we do with the auto scroll screen on Cakewalk. In a video I made in the past, we talked about how the scroll lock button on your keyboard toggles that. Let me show you real quick what I'm talking about, and then I'll talk about something somebody brought up in a response on that video. So right here I have a song up. I'm going to zoom in on it so you can see what it does. Normally, when a song passes, it'll refresh the screen as the marker keeps going, like this. And it keeps showing it. But if I hit the scroll button, it just stops and stays on the screen. Like that, it just stays there. And sometimes people don't realize if they accidentally bump the scroll lock button or whatever, they can't get it to scroll anymore. If you hit that, then it'll keep doing it. So anyway, a question came up by a couple of people saying that they didn't have a scroll button on their keyboard. So I thought, oh, okay, maybe look into that, and I could not find anything for a while, and then I finally found something. Someone had the brilliant idea of just going to the on-screen keyboard, where you can get it from right here. You go down to the Cordana search window here and just type in OSK for on-screen keyboard. Just hit it. That, and it brings up your keyboard, and there you have it, a scroll lock button right there, and it'll work just fine. Stops there, but if I turn it off, so there's your fix. If you don't have a scroll lock button on your keyboard, you can always go to the on-screen keyboard in Windows, and you'll have a scroll lock button there that you can access it with. So anyway, that's what I wanted to tell you. Easy fix. I hope that helps you out. Y'all have a great day. Bye bye.